Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to check blade assembly for damage for your food processor. Begin by turning off the food processor using the main power control. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet before performing inspection. Remove the lid from the food processor bowl. Lift the blade assembly straight up and out of the bowl. Place the blade assembly on a flat surface for inspection. Visually examine the blades for bends, chips, or residue buildup. Insert the blade assembly back into the bowl. Finally, place the lid back onto the food processor bowl to complete the inspection.